Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Makkah in 571 AD. He belonged to the noble tribe called Quraysh. His father name was Hazrat Abdullah radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu and his mother name was Hazrat Amna radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam didn't do any bad activities from his childhood since up to the whole life. He helped the poor and cared for the needy and lived a life of honesty. People love his character and truthfulness. After the coming of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the shape of the Arabian civilization was completely replaced with the ideal conditions. Drinkers become worshippers and the opponents of Allah become his lovers. And the enemies of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam become his loyal followers. Those who ignore Islam, it also become his supporters. Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The best among you is the one with the best character." Respected listeners, Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to try to spread Islam. People threw the stone at him. On this occasion of trial, Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam asked the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that, "O Muhammad, speak. If you so wish, I will destroy them." Then Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam quietly replied, "A gracious and a merciful God, show them the right path for them who do not know what they are doing, and make it known to them that I am their great beneficiary." The life and teaching of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam are a guiding light for humanity. They teach us how to live with honesty, justice, compassion, and patience. They inspire us to build a better homes, better societies, and a peaceful world. He gave us a practical guidance to face the challenges of life and become a successful person. Now it's our responsibility to follow his examples and practice his teaching and spread the light of humanity wherever we go. As I conclude my speech, I would like to seek your permission to present the words in your honor that कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, ये जहां चीज क्या वो कलम तेरे हैं।